We're almost to Parque Lleras, but we heard rushing water, so we came over here to check it out. Been walking about a kilometer and a half. Yeah, it's a nice little creek here, running right down below Parque Lleras. And in front of us there is another little park, but that's not the park we're shooting for today. Maybe another day. Look at this bamboo sprout.
Oh.
There's another one coming out right there.
Oh yeah.
But this one.
Oh yeah, it's fresh.
See how big it is? I'm 6 foot tall.
Wow. Yeah.
I'm 6 foot tall. This bamboo shoot's as big as me. That's cool. Harley Davidson. It's closed down though. Welcome to Parque Lleras. See what's going on here. Okay, we're at the beer store in Parque Lleras. So this is Parque Lleras right across the street. Cheers, let me go. It's kind of a slow night here. It's Saturday night.
Algo de aquí, ¿qué es esto? Dame probar una. What do you want?
Oh, one of these and one of these.
Ah, es que uno de esos y también uno de esos. Para quedarnos.
I don't know what we're getting, but it's Cuban food. I know one of them's like an empanada.
This one is a pollo. This one's got
Okay,
chicken
so
in
we're
it.
getting a chicken empanada.
Yeah.
And then I got this. I got this thing too. I don't know what that is. Yeah, that's why I got it. It looks Mexican, like a burrito.
Cuban burrito.
It's a Cuban burrito. So we'll see what's up. Lots of street art over here still. This is just a. I don't know. We're 2 or 3 blocks from the Lleras Park. Very close. All right, it's starting to rain. Okay, this is what I got. This is a pollo empanada, chicken. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna eat it and find out. Okay, I'm gonna try this chicken empanada. Nothing wrong with that. It's just empanada dough, corny dough with chicken and probably potato or something, huh?
Yeah, like the shell is harder too.
Mm-hmm. It's good, but really it's hot sauce.
Yeah.
Now this one's got some kind of like pork in it. It's like pork and it's a cheese. It tastes dry. It tastes like Parmesan cheese, really. It's good though. It's really good. I like this one better than the chicken empanada. This one. Yeah. If you guys are here and you see that guy, buy something from him. He's awesome. He's out here walking the streets from morning until night. And I always buy my gum from him. But it takes me a week to go through a pack of gum. So I saw him this morning and I told him, no, I still have some gum. If I see you tonight, I'll get some more. So now I got my weekly supply of gum. And that's gonna do it for this day, for this little walkabout. I'm almost back to my apartment. So I appreciate you watching. I hope your day is filled with joy, good food, and a little bit of adventure. Until next time, take care.